Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of not today's newspaper, no. Uh, it's from yesterday's newspaper. Today it's actually Thursday, September the 16th, but yesterday it's the Wednesday, September the 15th, and yesterday I have two puzzles left, a Two Stars Sudoku and a tectonic. But first, we will solve the two stars. And the Two Stars Sudoku will be number 3403. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. We have here 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 plus 3 is 14. 17, 20, 21 plus 5 is 26. Print the digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Three missing digits in this big square. One of the missing it's not a letter, digit. Number is number 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see there's 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the first column. So the first column between the second column. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3, I believe. No. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there, the only place for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Yeah, I need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column? So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1 number left, or 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6. Let me mark those. 197, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 and the 9 is missing. 179. And look, we have a 9 and a 7 in this row. So no 9 and a 7 in this box. The 9 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let me think. How about 7? Seven in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. And all the 7s are used. I can. Oh, wait. And all the 7s are used. Huh? And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 1, number 7. All right. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 9. How about? Hmm. Yeah. 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 6, 4, 8, 6, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 1. We have a 3 and a 1 in this row. So no 3 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1. 2 numbers left in the last row. The other pair should be the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. 1, 3. 1, 3. 4, 1, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Oh, right. Oh. Yeah. 9. Come on. It's taking too long. Five, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. All right. 2, 2. Okay. And now 5 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. So the 1, 6, and the 9 is missing. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the last column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. No, 6 and a 9. Yeah. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. Yes, 3 is missing. Okay. Surprise with the 3. Okay. Alright. 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. Come on. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there. So this box is going to be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Oh, right. So now we have 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and the 5. 1, 5. Six and 4. Yeah. 2 numbers left. In this row, the third row, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Do we have all the 9s? No. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 9. Okay. Okay. We have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and 4. Here we have a 1 and a 3, 2. 4 is missing, 5 and 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Yeah, 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 boxes left in the first row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. No, double 6. No. Made a mistake. It's not the 6. We already have a 6 here. This box should be reserved for the number 3, I believe. Yes, this number should be a 3. Alright, so 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1, 1, 1. This box, 1. Oh, 2 boxes left. The 2, no, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Wow. Correct. For the 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.